back to Euro Truck Simulator 2 with me, Chili Smith, driving for Sweet Truckall. Job number 301 still. Just had an overnight break. Let's crack on with job. Oh, it's morning.
Pedal to the metal, man.
Right. I've got a sweet weepy here with this big old load. Honk honk. Take the beddings out. Right, left. Right, left, okay. 40 miles an hour. Kilometres, isn't it? That'll do. Drop down here. We've got 436 kilometres to go. Jesus.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Come and join me if you
Okay.
can. Reversing up inside my van.
It's not to drive you properly in this job. Not hit anything.
Turn left.
Like a mother trucking family. Euro Truck Simulator makes you feel so good inside. Euro Truck Simulator.
Looks like it. Curved it a little there. Got a massive bendy wendy here. Bendy wendy. Honk 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 honk. Let's get gears then. Indicate. Boom 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 boom. Right. 9:34 Thursday morning. Overtaken by into Flora. I'm educated. Hope he's letting me out. What's a double trailer? That could have been a dodgy. Oh my lord! I like these bits. Remember these now. Barriers either side. Makes you feel rather uncomfortable. What could have been so nasty on that edge there? What's it down about? Oh god, I don't like this at all. All tense.
On the road is where you find me. Just give me the call. Jump in beside me and strap yourself in.
Honk on the horn, let the adventures begin.
Honk honk, I didn't like taking my hand off the steering wheel to do that then. Welcome back. This is like threading a needle. A really large double trailer needle. Touch any of these barriers, I'm going to come to a complete standstill and wreck my truck. You just know it. Boats. Can't even look over there because I'm so tense. I can't even reach over for my 90. Okay. Can't even straight on. Don't follow him. I dare even reach over to my mouse in case my steering wheel slips or something. This is really tight. Oh, I'm struggling to look either side of the road. It's so intimidating. So I'm worried about hitting the side. Can I go in this bit now? I think so. Whew, that was a bit heavy, maybe scary. Maybe, why you bugging?
Keep
What's
left.
Tom Cruise, you see, isn't it? Okay. Let's go 82 around here. So scary. Go back in the inside lane. Outside lane. Inside, outside. Cleo lane. remembers her. Cleole. Where does that pop in my head from? Just make funny noises with the mouth like. I'm sure that's where Vic and Bob got the idea for, I guess, the tune. I was awfully close to the barrier. Apple juice. Apple juice. Oh, sorry, grape juice. Oh, I just went over a badger. Oh, gotta get that lane. 83 round here. That's a bridge. Oh, it's a bridge. Oh.
How many times do I have to tell you to slow down?
Well, it's going uphill now, though. Just so close to that barrier. It's horrible. I wouldn't like to do this in real life. In the old truck. Not this speed. 50, full whack, 56. No, 56 is 90. 45, maybe. Yeah, I'd do that 45 old truck easy. I'm going to indicate because I think he's going to pull out anywhere. Let's see. Bodo, that's where they make all them glass teapots and cafetières. We're catching up that truck. Not sure where we're heading actually. All the way across, out of Norway, all the way across Sweden into Finland. I haven't seen a single charge for a toll or anything yet, or a barrier to say I've changed countries or a flag or anything. Maybe I missed it. Maybe we're not there yet. Maybe I'm thinking it's a totally different job and I'm not actually going across two countries. So a bit on cruise control. There he is. Gone Tom. He loves it. Don't go into the side of me, because that'd be rude. I did quite well there because I had to slow right down and he sort of let me go. Let me go. AI did me a favour and let me go. Oh no. Bum 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 bum. Oh, train.
Listen to me.
Obviously not, doggy. I need to drop it down again, don't I, mate? Strike a light, holy.
Slow down.
Really? It's really downhill. 293 to go. 81 man. Beast man, Babylon, Babylon, Popo. They're going to have to come into this lane now. It's indicating everyone coming to right lane. Is it going to bottle up, bottleneck? No. Still going 77 through here. It's still really tight. Yeah, baby. Just the way I like it. I've got a double trailer of microwave food coming to Tesco's near you. Might be a co-op. It could be a little, I don't know, I'm just deliverer, the man in the middle. But I'm taking it somewhere from there. Yeah, I'm taking it somewhere from there. 257 kilometers to go. You have a big tree roundabout.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Beast man, Babylon, pole, don't you know?
Exit now.
Finny Max in it.
At the roundabout, take
30.
the second exit.
30.
Exit now.
Still 30.
You're going too fast.
Oh, bugger. Oh, bugger. Easy. Nice river. Torino.
At the roundabout,
Tornio.
take the
I don't know
second
what I
exit.
said.
exit now.
60. Put foot down. Oh, red lights. Get that down them gears. Gearsels. Excuse me, got a fog tonight. Oh, it's a police in a van. On their way to raid a house full of druggies. They're planning a raid on a truckload of microwave food. It's like I've been all around here before, look. It's all yellow. Say that, great song.
Go straight.
Waiting for the lights to change. They have changed, but he's not moving. He's got all the traffic. Stuck at the lights. Oh, I stuck at the lights. I'm stuck at the lights. Drop down my gears. Got my eyes out to the right. Ooh, yeah. Got my roundabout,
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Nothing coming on. Oh, it's on the inside though. Bugger me. Bugger me, it's a bag of sand.
Exit now.
100 kilometers an hour. Road runner. Goes 100 kilometers an hour. With the radio on. Don't know the words. Don't know the words, Paul. Anyone who don't know what I'm singing about, Road Runner by the Sex Pistols.
Caution.
Oh.
You're exceeding the speed limit.
I am, and in 10th gear I never go into 10. Don't need to. Maybe I should. Maybe it wears the engine out. Or if you don't. I don't know. Okay. Clicks to go. Is it me or does it seem to have taken a long time to do 450 kilometres? Not been hanging around. It's a nice coloured car. Not sure what sort it is though. What sort of car? Not what sort of blue. Or both actually. Cry me a river, drive me a river, put a bridge
Go
over
straight.
it too. Roundabout, slow down. Know what I mean? Roundabout.
At the roundabout, take the second exit. Exit now.
Good job there's nothing coming towards the roundabout because I'm still on the wrong side of the road. Oh. 27 tons. 60. Don't need a truck stop. Don't need a truck stop and don't need fuel. 194 to go. I don't know if they'd expect me to park this because it's the new game, the update. We've got double trailer. There's double trailer parking in the new training game. Part of the game. Simulation. But the game is real life. Anyway, somebody told me I could play this in VR. In my Oculus 2. How do I go about that then? I'd like to know. Oh, nearly at the barrier again. Is that a policeman on the outside as well? No, I don't think it is. Might be actually. Coming off here anyway. No, it's just a McGann.
Keep
Paul
right,
McGann.
and then exit right.
What's that? Brothers McGann's. It's a McCann.
Exit right.
With Nell and I, wasn't it? His other brother was in a comedy with.
Keep left, and then turn left.
Don't know her name, which was quite cute. But her mother was Pussy Galore.
Turn left.
Can't remember her name. If you can tell me what program that was, that'd be mental. I think he was a gardener or a handyman. The mother was always trying to get them together. I'm sure it was McGann. How you say it in the UK? McGann. Oh, don't eat that. Only just scraped it there. I think she was in a thing, the lady in it was in a thing with Paul Nicholas. Not sure though, I'll be on that. It's about the same sort of time when he was big. So was Leo Sayer. but not in high. Oh, I'm gonna inside overtake all these milk trucks. Bear milk, almond milk, banana milk, strawberry milk,
Go straight.
beaver milk. Beaver milk. Is it bad that you make yourself laugh? Does everyone else do that? Is it a sign of insanity? That you can actually just make yourself chuckle just by saying stupid things all the time? Pretty much constantly. If I don't say them out loud, it's going through my head. Is that just normal? I don't know. I don't feel normal. Maybe I'm a bit special.
Keep left.
Like the K. But the K. I don't think he's going to come out at the last minute, is he? No, he's down to his last 150. 150. It really does seem like it's taken a long time to do this job. It's not like I'm not enjoying it. Obviously I am. I still want... Are you recording? Hope it's recording. Are you recording? I hope so. It's not recording into the same place since the NVIDIA update. I need to go and sort that out. But at least it's recording now. I had a week where it wouldn't do anything. It just kept going, no. Every time I press record, it just instantly said saved. It's like, couldn't figure out why. And then suddenly it was like, I even checked all the drivers for updates and it said, yeah, all good. And then it went, About 4 days later, after I turned my computer back on, it was like, oh, I found an update. And it's a total big, massive update. Basically putting your app, an app update. An app update. Haha. There's a lot of trees around here, not many animals, not many birds, not many insects worried about the world of ETS. There should be a bug DLC where your windscreen gets covered in splatters.
Go
Every now and again you
straight.
just see a big yellow stain appear and it'll be like a bee that's hit your screen. Used to get about 3 of them a day when I drove my truck. Plus all the flies, all insects, debris, dust. Then you could add like service station, jet wash. So you have to jet wash your truck, keep it clean. Otherwise you get penalised when you arrive at your job for having a dirty truck, stuff like that. Or when you pick the job up, possibly, yeah, that'd be a better idea. If you turn up at your job with a dirty truck, you get penalised. That sort of thing. That'd be a great DLC. Everyone would have that one. Really simple too. And tow trucks. But I think that might be in the pipeline, to be honest. For some reason they're focusing on buses in the truck simulator. I'm not sure what that's about. 50, 60, 60, 50, 50,
Keep
60,
right.
what do you mean? 88 to go. Coming up to roundabout. Still got 2,081 litres in tank. Miles. Is that kilometres? Possibly kilometres, actually. Well, we've got a tiny roundabout.
Roundabout. Take the
Massive
second
truck.
exit.
Look at that full roundabout. It's just like, how much do you want to slow down? It's like the one in his shop.
Exit now.
Oh, the trucks flip over. They do. They had to close. They opened up the new bypass and this had to close one of the lanes because it's just trucks were going down it and just too tight. It's too tight now. It's still too tight. Just the approach is just all
Go
wrong.
straight.
For a truck, it's just way too sharp. You got any sort of loose weight like I used to carry, or liquids or anything like that? Oh God, nightmare. That was a big truck stop, wasn't it? Are this all new roads? I don't think I've ever been here. Wherever I'm going, I'm there, I'm here, I'm going somewhere. It's nice open road though. We started at 9:30 and now it's nearly 3 o'clock, so I had almost a full day to. By the time we get there, park up. Overpass, underpass. Oh, I'm surprised there's no policeman behind me. It's dodgy that was. Drop down gear, that might be one though. It's not. Let's have a look behind me, just in case. No. Nothing there. It's paranoid, eh? Oh, it'd be so easy to do some lyrics for Truck Simulator over that, wouldn't it? About traffic lights and all that sort of stuff. So the dog just jumped up. Won't be a sec. Oh, don't go down the ditch. Hang on. That was close. Why does the sea see green? Why does the blue sky blue? Why is the brown poo brown? And yellow sometimes, and a bit of red and blue. What happened to white dog poo? Almost there, 13 kilometres to go. A few bendy wendies to go. Sweepy whoopy tiny
Going to hit
wendies.
something.
Swivelly wivelies. Swivels when you turn the way round. Can't count that one. What? That was a bit weird, wasn't it? Did you see that? I didn't quite catch that.
Keep
Obviously,
left, and then turn
managed
left.
to get there though, and not go in the wrong lane and get. Penalised Kuusamo. Of course it is. Yeah.
Turn left.
Of course it is. I can know where it is. That's a nice brown car.
Get ready to turn right.
40, sweeter than a pack of 40. Can't you see I've lost the point?
Turn
I'm
right.
talking about the party. It's on. It's on you, Sonia. Might listen to that
Get
later,
ready to
actually.
turn left.
It's on you, Sonia.
Turn left.
You sang that. You sang it. About the same time the farmer around. Little known band. Oh, it's on. It's called It's On. Flowered Up. There you go.
Here we are.
London, Bangalore.
Kind of on time.
Ducky ducky. Acting. Where you want it? At an angle. Grunt. Don't want to be we do not want to be reversing this. Particularly out of gears. 0. Handbrake on. Drop that trailer. Bang it on. Oh yeah. Dosh, 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 dosh. Bosh. The dosh. Meow. Still king of the road. Nice £46,000 earner there. Thank you very much. We'll leave it there, I think. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. It was a blast. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, or don't. And I'll catch you in the next one.